Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Danisa Alzura Olpelda. I'm a college student of Mathematics Study Program at Padang State University. In this video, I will be explain about the history of derivative, basic idea of derivative, and application of derivative. Enjoy watching. History of derivative. Since derivative is a branch of differential calculus, the history of its development is also closely related to the development of calculus. The concept of derivation was conceived at the same time by Sir Isaac Newton, the English mathematician and physicist, and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, the German mathematician. History records the calculus was developed first in Egypt, Greece, China, India, Iraq, Persia, and Japan, but the use of modern calculus began in Europe in the 17th century when Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz developed the basic principles of calculus. Their work that has a strong influence on the development of physics. In line with the development of modern science, application of calculus in particular to differential include calculation of speed and acceleration, the slope of a curve, and optimization. Basic idea of derivative. Derivative in mathematics, the rate of change of a function with respect to a variable. Derivatives are fundamental to the solution of problems in calculus and differential equation. The derivative of the continuous function y equal fx is the rate at which the y value changes with the x value. If the change in the x value is h, then we can write f in a bracket x plus h close bracket minus fx over h. As a result of this change, as shown below, you can see in these pictures. If the value of h is taken small, close to 0, limit h approaches 0, then the change will be the rate of change. This is the basic of the derivative concept, so that derivative of the function fx denoted by f prime x is defined as f prime x equals to lim f in bracket x plus h close bracket minus fx over h as h approaches 0. So, the derivative notation of the function y equals fx can be written as y prime or f prime x or dy over dx or df over dx. Based on the definition of the derivative above, we can get separate rules for getting the basic formula for the derivative of an algebra function, namely, if fx equals to ax to the power of n, then f prime x equals to n times ax to the power to n minus 1. The development of this formula is the derivative of the form fx equals to ax and the form fx equals to c, where c is constant, which is follows. If fx equals to ax, then f prime x equals to a. If fx equals to a, then f prime x equals to 0. Example 1. With using the definition of derivative, find the derivative of function fx equals to 3x minus 5. Explanation. F prime x equals to lim f in bracket x plus h close bracket minus fx over h as h approaches 0 equals to lim in a bracket 3 in a bracket x plus h close bracket minus 5 close bracket minus in a bracket 3x minus 5 close bracket over h as h approaches 0 equals to lim 3x plus 3h minus 5 minus 3x plus 5 over h as h approaches 0 equals to lim 3h over h as h approaches 0 equals to 3. 2. Find the first derivative of the function fx equals to x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x. Explanation. F prime x equals to 3 times 1 times x cubed minus 1 minus 2 times 2x square minus 1 plus 1 times 3 times x is 1 minus 1 equals to 3x square minus 4x plus 3. Application of derivative. Derivatives have many applications in the quantitative field. One of them is Newton's second law of motion, which states that the derivative of the moment of an object is the same as the force exerted on the object. The rate of reaction of a chemical reaction is also a derivative. Derivatives have various important applications in mathematics, such as rate of change of a quantity, increasing and decreasing function, tangent and normal to a curve, minimum and maximum values, Newton's method, approximation. In real life, derivatives are used in various fields, including in medicine for modeling cancer growth or the spread of disease, in engineering for describe the movement of electric, in chemistry of modeling chemical reaction, in economics to find optimal investment strategies, in physics to describe the motion of wave, pendulum or chaotic system. With such ability to describe the real world, being able to solve the differential equation is an important skill for mathematics. So much material that I can convey. Apologies if there is a word fails. I will end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.